Many people claim that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But not all breakfast options are created equal, and many common choices lack the balance of protein, fiber, healthy fats, and unrefined carbs needed to fuel your morning. Here are 11 breakfast foods to eat and skip for a healthier morning.
11. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants and fiber, which can improve memory, regulate blood pressure, and support metabolism. They're particularly beneficial when eaten in the morning as they provide lasting energy and enhance cognitive function. 10. Tomatoes. Tomatoes have high tannic acid levels, which can increase stomach acidity and lead to discomfort or even gastric ulcers over time if consumed on an empty stomach. It's best to leave tomatoes for later meals when your stomach is less sensitive. 9. Short crust and puff pastries. Fresh-baked croissants and pastries are tempting breakfast choices. However, due to their high fat and sugar content, these pastries can irritate the lining of your stomach when eaten on an empty stomach. This irritation can cause bloating and discomfort. Instead of buttery pastries, try whole grain bread with no yeast to avoid digestive issues and support a balanced meal. 8. Honey. Honey is packed with antioxidants and natural sugars that provide a balanced source of energy. It also stimulates the brain and increases serotonin levels, helping to improve your mood in the morning. Honey can also support immune function, making it a healthier alternative to processed sugar. 7. Oatmeal. Oatmeal forms a protective coating around the stomach lining, preventing irritation from stomach acids. It's also rich in soluble fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol and keeps you full for longer, making it an ideal breakfast food. 6. Green vegetables. While green veggies like cucumbers are nutrient-rich, they're also high in amino acids, which can lead to digestive discomfort on an empty stomach. Eating them early in the day may cause bloating and gas. Instead, enjoy them later as part of lunch or dinner to reap their benefits without the discomfort. 5. Cornmeal porridge. Cornmeal porridge is an excellent breakfast choice as it helps remove toxins and heavy metals from your system. It also supports healthy gut flora and keeps you feeling full due to its high fiber content. Cornmeal porridge is gentle on the stomach, making it suitable for empty stomach consumption. 4. Buckwheat. Buckwheat is an excellent choice for breakfast as it's packed with protein, iron, and essential vitamins. It's gentle on the digestive system, stimulates digestion, and provides sustained energy, making it a great alternative to refined grains. 3. Nuts. Nuts are nutrient-dense and packed with healthy fats, fiber, and protein. When eaten in the morning, they improve digestion and help regulate the stomach's pH, making them a great addition to your breakfast routine. 2. Eggs. Eggs are a fantastic breakfast option as they're high in protein and healthy fats, keeping you full longer and curbing hunger throughout the day. Studies have shown that eating eggs for breakfast can lead to a reduction in daily calorie intake, aiding in weight management. 1. Berries. Strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants and fiber, which can support digestive health and fight inflammation when eaten first thing in the morning. Have we missed anything you're aware of? Let us know in the comments below. Hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to be on healthier side of life.
See you in the next video.